So welcome to another lecture of our automata playlist. Today we will learn how to construct some complex DFA structures. So first let's start with some simpler one. So the question is construct a DFA that starts with A and end with B, that receives all strings that starts with A and end with B, and the alphabet set is A and B. So it receives the minimum string is AB. It also receives AAB, ABB, ABAB, any type of combination that starts with A and ends with B. So we will first draw the minimum thing, that is the initial state is Q0, and after receiving A it will go to Q1, that one intermediate state, and after receiving B it will go to Q2, that is the accepting state. So this is the minimal thing. Now let's complete this. So the string starts with B, it will no longer be received because it must be start with A to get accepted. So if it starts with B, we will put it to the trap state. Okay, so we will put it to the trap state Q3 and give a self loop to A and B. So if it receives B at the first, it will always remain in the trap state and never go to accepted state. Okay, so now let's check for Q1. So Q1 go to Q2 if it receives B. So what if it receives A? So we can make it to Q2 or we can trap it. But if we trap it, then the string AAB will not be accepted. But for our question, this thing is accepted. So no matter whatever comes in between, if it starts with A and if it ends with B, it is accepted. So we will give a self loop, and for A input we will give a self loop for input A in the Q1 state. So if after one A, if number of A comes in the Q1 state, it will remain in the Q1 state, and when it will receive input B, then it will go to the accepting state. Okay, so now let's check for Q2 state. So after one input B, no matter how many input B comes here, the end will also always be with B. So we will give a self loop for B in the Q2 state. And what if A comes? So for a string like A B, okay, so for A and B it receives 2, it reaches Q2, and now for A again it should reach Q1, and after 1B it will again reach to Q2. So we will make it like this, that if Q2 receives input A, it will go to Q1, and after again receiving any number of inputs, if it receives one input B again, it will reach to the accepting state. So this will be accepted. So hope you understand this. Now we will go to a complex one. The question is construct a DFA that receives a string which is not start with A or not end with B. So we will use a new theorem here. So let's see. For the first statement we will denote it as A, that is not start with A and capital A, and not end with B we will denote it as capital B, and for OR we will use union symbol. Okay, so this is A union B. So now we will make its complement, and it will be A complement intersection B complement according to the theorem. We all know that. So what is A complement now? So A complement, what is A? A is not start with A, and so A complement will be start with A, and intersection will be and B complement will be end with B. So the start with A and end with B. So as the previous example, this is the similar thing, start with A and end with B. So you can recognize this automata, we have already done it previously. And so this is the construction of the DFA that starts with A and end with B. But what we need that will not start with A and not end with B. So for that we will complement this automata. So how to complement the automata? We will just simply convert all the final states to non-final state, and all the non-final state to the final state. So let's see, here Q0, Q1 and Q3 are non-final state, so we will make it final state, and here Q2 is final state, so we will make it non-final state. So whenever there is a question which is like that there is one negation, that is not, there is two negation, that is not, and two negative sentences are connected with and or, then we will follow this method. Okay, so now if we change the states, see, Q0 becomes final state, Q1 also becomes final state, Q2 becomes non-final state, and Q3 also becomes final state, and all the other inputs and outputs are same. Okay, so this is our automata. So do subscribe and wait until our next video.